welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be talking about this gorgeous unit that I'm wearing on my crown right now. This is my temporary crown. And guess what? We have a sponsor. HerGivenHair. Thank you so much, HerGivenHair, for sponsoring today's video. They went ahead and sent me out this headband wig. Now let me tell you, I got a headband wig from them. You know, when on my old channel, I gave it to my girlfriend. I'm like, here, girl, because I had so many wigs. I'm like, you can have this one. This one is like easy to put on. Boom, 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 boom. I ain't gonna lie, when I gave it to her, I'm like, I sure wish I had it, because I was going to the gym at the time. I was wearing lace fronts all the time to the gym. And sometimes it could be a hassle. Like, I haven't worn a wig, like a lace front wig, in quite some time. I feel like this is the next best thing, because whether you're relaxed or text-laxed or natural, whatever, it doesn't matter your hair texture. Literally, doesn't matter your hair texture. This is convenient for everyone. If I was to go out somewhere and I had my headband on, let me go ahead and put this headband on, because it's my favorite one, to be quite honest. Okay, giving very much 80s. Okay, get the unitard on. Be looking like Jamie Lee Curtis in that movie that's going viral on TikTok where she's like, with Mel Gibson. Is that Mel Gibson? That's not Mel Gibson. John Travolta. Because John Travolta was always thrusting his hips, child, in the 80s, child. He was throwing them hips back. So this is the headband wig. It is the curly unit. So curly, I believe, is 3C. Oh, 3B, 3C curl pattern. That's what it says. It's 18 inches. The cap size is medium. Now, this is a beginner-friendly, ready-to-go wig. Like, literally, you can take it out the box and, you know, go out the door. I always recommend to like wash your wigs or wash your extensions first. Sometimes I don't, but I do recommend that. Also, this is a fully protective hairstyle, so you don't have to have any leave out. My hair is straight under this wig. You will see in the video. My hair is still straight. I'm washing it tonight, but regardless whether my hair is straight or in its natural state, in its curly state, it'll blend and it'll like look so effortless. This is also a great unit if you are, you know, wanting to bring your edges out. Like, I still suffer from like hair loss on this side. It's been like that for years. Headband wigs are the most cheapest option, because obviously when you're dealing with lace and you're dealing with, you know, the construction of making a lace wig, whether it's a lace front, lace closure, whatever, it's going to go up in cost because of the time it takes to construct the wig. I have mine styled like where it's a flip over. Yeah, I just wanted to get on here and show you guys that if you go into the gym, you gotta go in the office, if you gotta run to the grocery store, this is where it's at. And then you can always pull it up and you cover it up so you don't see it. And then boom. Anyways, you guys, so I want to hop on here and share this with you guys. Let's get right into the video. We're gonna go over the packaging, how I cleanse the hair, how I style the hair, and how I put the wig on, which takes literally 5 minutes. So if you want to see how I cleanse, install, style this wig, just keep on watching. Alright, you guys, so I'm just going to show you guys the unboxing of my wig. Again, this is the HerGivenHair headband wig, and it's 18 inches. This is the packaging that it comes in. Their packaging has improved so drastically over the years. It always comes in this cute little box, and then once you take the bow off and you open it, ta-da, you have all of your goodies. So the contents within the package is a pamphlet. Amara La Negra is a spokesperson for HerGivenHair, so you'll always see a little card from her. A booklet on how to care for the hair, and then if you decide to make any purchases on their headbands, you can, but they are sold separately. They do come with also extra wig clips in case yours, you know, break down or there's any wear and tear over the time of usage. And this is how the headband wig looks. It's so nice. It doesn't stink or anything, and it's a secure headband. So I typically wear the headband wig as it is, like just with a plain black headband, but you can jazz it up with your own headbands or the headbands they come with. There is 4 wig combs. There's 2 on the side, 1 at the top and 1 in the back. I don't necessarily use the ones on the side just because it'll break my edges off. So I typically use the one on the top and the one in the back. Now I'm going to go ahead and start to cleanse the hair. And I always use my Aussie Moist for my curly units, particularly because that's what I use on my own hair and it just works really well. So I rinse the hair and then I'm going to go ahead and shampoo the hair first. I did use my little stopper in the sink so I can catch all the hair. And I'll show you guys how much hair came out of the wig at the end of the wash cycle. Cycle? It's like a wash machine. Anyways, so I'm going to go ahead and rinse out the shampoo and then I'm going to go ahead and condition it. I'm not going to deep condition it or anything like that. I do use like silicone mix or deep conditioner after a few washes when I feel like the hair may need that. But on the first initial wash, I just go ahead and wash and condition it and I detangle it with my Tangle Teezer brush. And then I'm just going to go ahead and rinse that and I let it dry overnight. So I want to show you guys how the curl pattern look once it's all done. It's literally 3B, 3C curl pattern. It's amazing how they get these curl patterns down to a freaking science, like down to the T, not a science, but down to the T. And that is the amount of shedding that I received after washing. So this is the next day, it's 100% dry. And honestly, I was like, I don't even need to style the hair or add any product, but anytime that I have my curly units, I always do, just because when I go without product, it just gets really dry. It gets very super duper frizzy. I'm using the Design Essentials Almond and Avocado Curling Mousse. So I'm just gonna go and work the hair or the wig into 6 sections. I'm gonna spritz the section with some water and then run the mousse through it. I don't like to use curling creams. I used to use creams and it just weighed the hair down. It made the hair feel like sticky over the days. But when I use the mousse, it lasts several days. I don't have to do any crazy touch-ups. I might have to add water for certain sections, but for the most part, mousse is just the way to go. It's much more lighter, and when you wash the unit, it's not as too much buildup, if you get what I'm saying. So I'm just gonna go ahead and repeat these steps to the wig, and then we'll move right along. Here I am, I'm going to go ahead and apply the wig. Now, as you can see, my hair is straight. So even if you wanted to wear this unit when your hair is straight, or if you have a few French braids under your hair, it doesn't matter what your hair looks like under, because you're not going to have any leave out. All you need is your edges, literally. I was going to put my hair in like 4 or 6 braids so I can have it as flat as possible. But again, this is not a lace unit. This is a headband wig, so it doesn't really have to be extremely flat under. So I just went ahead and put 2 braids instead. And I use my edge control, and I want to make sure my braid is going away from my hairline, because when I do 2 braids, I like to normally braid 2 braids along the hairline, just looking like a circle. I don't know why, but I do. But I wanted to make sure my braids are going straight back so you wouldn't see it when I put my headband wig on. So after I put the 2 braids, I'm just going to go ahead and pin them up, and I'm going to get a wig cap. I'm not going to bring the wig cap all the way to the edges, of course, because that's going to be my leave out, quotes, area. And I wanted to fast forward this part so I can just show you guys how quick and easy it is to put on the wig. You know how to put a wig on, child. Go ahead and take those 2 Velcro straps and you just go ahead and connect those from the back, and that's it. That's literally how you put the wig on. So I feel like as long as it's styled prior to you putting it on, it literally takes, it took me, I counted it, or I looked at the timer, it took 56 seconds to put that thing on. So literally this is such a quick and convenient hairstyle. And I was feeling myself, y'all. Like, I think it was the makeup too. Like, I was just like, can't nobody tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing today. Okay, baby? No. So I went to go ahead and try on a couple of the headbands. This is my favorite one, the leopard one, of course. I would really like it in a black and gray. So yeah. But here's a little short intermission. You guys, I've been in the bathroom taking selfies. Do you see my face? This is after 7.5, 8 hours of makeup. No touch-ups. Wow. I look freaking good, bro. Okay, continue on. We should continue on. Damn, I look good. So, yeah. So this, I didn't try either, or I didn't try the other one on because I like to use that to sleep in. But you can also just scrunch it up and use it as a headband. But I want to show you, you can also style the others. Like when I was putting this colorful one on, I'm like, this can be good for when I wrap my hair at night. Like when I straighten my hair, I'm like, yeah, you're gonna come in a good use, baby. So don't ask me what I was doing, but I was feeling myself and I'm like, can't nobody tell me nothing. Nothing. And then this one here, I'm like, where was this at? I went to my big chop. Because I used to always wear these wraps when I had cut all my hair off. And I was like, how can I style this? Don't come for me, okay? I did my best. I'm like, I don't know. I was like, I don't know if it's hitting or not, but whatever. We still gonna get it in, baby. But that's it. I'm about to come back in just a second to go ahead and finish out the video. Wind it one time. Wind it up, baby. Alright, you guys, that is all that I have for you guys today. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. You guys, my face is literally sitting. And I'm taking pictures for my son. And I'm just like, damn, my makeup looks really good. And I'm looking at the time. I'm like, damn, this was like, now it's 8 hours ago. I have not touched up anything except for my lips. I'm like, this is freaking crazy. So, yeah, if you guys want to see this makeup look, which I just really adore, let me know and I can make a video for you guys. But that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much, HerGivenHair, for sponsoring today's video. If you want to go ahead and check out HerGivenHair and their headband wigs, which I really highly do recommend, go ahead and click the link below and check them out. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for tuning in. I look forward to seeing my next one. So until then, peace. Two fingers. Yeah.
Wondering what's on your mind. If you like the simple type, I ain't stupid, dumb or blind. Won't sleepy, a bed of lies. Heard you met her in the club, trying to tell me you were drunk. I can still smell perfume. Nigga, I don't fuck with you. I'm a drinker.